In this video, I'm going to show the difference in using the M12 4-pin and the M12 5-pin cable connecting between the sender and the receiver of the MLGs. Webcheckers, they sync over, you have to have at least a 5-pin cable because it needs a 5th pin to sync. So I've got a T-connector here. So the T-connector is powering up both the devices. So if I use a M12 4-pin, which is here, to go between the devices, they will both power up, but they will not be able to sync, and you'll get a couple different alarms. So you won't be able to line them up or anything. You'll get lights that look odd here, which can be referenced in the manual. But you see I've got SOPAs powered up, so I'll go ahead and go online, and I'll be able to go online with them over Ethernet because they're powered up. But you'll see that in doing that, I get a couple alarms. I get a sync error, I get a PD invalid. There's no way I'll be able to line these up or to teach in the sensors. So if I go here to start, and you'll see that they're never, depending on what I do, they'll never start to teach. So what I'll do here is I'll just close out of it, and I go back offline with SOPAs. And I'm going to put the M12 5-pin cable in between the two. If you're not using the T-connector, then you need to land them on a terminal strip or something like that. Somehow you've got to get all 5 cables or all 5 conductors in between the two. So now if I go back to the T-connector, and I've got a M12 5-pin, and I go back online with SOPAs, now you'll see that I don't have those alarms. It needs a teach-in, but now I should be able to actually go to sensor teach-in, start, and they should start to teach in. And now they should start to operate like they're supposed to. So if you're using you're having those errors, it's probably just because you don't have the 5th pin connected on the sync. Now, what I'll also do is let's just go to the website, and I'll kind of just show the difference as well on here. So if you are wiring these, then you'll know kind of where to line the wires at if you're not using the T-connector. So this is the wiring of the pin 1 through 4 and 1 through 5, and you'll see it needs pin 2 and pin 5 to sync between the two. So if you don't have that, you've got a 4-conductor cable. They're not going to connect. They're not going to teach, and you don't get alarms. Hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions.